Hey, thanks for joining us here at OG Marketing and Broke as a Joke News Hour. We get together sometimes and we shoot the, you know what I'm saying? So Brandon, he deals with purchasing the houses. I deal with getting them fixed up. Brandon, when somebody wants to sell their house without doing any of the repairs, they just need to get out of it and they don't want to fix anything. What kind of repairs are they usually not wanting to deal with? What are the things you see that people want to walk away from, and how can you help them make that happen?
It'd be sometimes a lot of foundation, maybe a roof, the exterior, the kitchen, the updates like TLC on the property. Majority of the time, it's some repairs that they don't want to spend money on.
Let's be real. Houses only last for so long. Roofs, 20, 25 years. Plumbing, cast iron needs to be replaced. Water lines, copper lines leak. That's the reality. Kitchen cabinets get tired. Floors get tired. Everything gets worn out.
Yep.
People get to that stage in a life where it's time to move on and they got a house that's really tired. Do you think they should fix it up first, or should they just call you, Brandon?
Call me. I can deal with all of that. It save you a lot of time and stress.
Thanks for listening to OG Marketing with Brandon and Pam. Like what you've heard? Like and subscribe. Have a question or want to be a guest? Drop us a line at ogmarketing101@gmail.com. Thanks for checking out OG Marketing. We'll see you next time. Now go get those deals.